Over 2,000 years ago, ancient Chinese scholars observed the changing patterns in our natural world, the climate, the turning of the seasons, and astronomy. These scholars measured and divided the sun's annual movements into 24 equal parts, creating the 24 solar terms, which was used to govern agriculture in ancient China. Even to this day, this invention still guides the lives and traditions of hundreds of millions of Chinese people.
The Seasons of China is an epic documentary series. My name is Dominic Johnson-Hill. I am the presenter of Seasons of China. And I went on a 24 epic travel series around the whole country. I experienced how the seasons affect and are still celebrated and are used in different places in China. From the northernmost village on the Russian border down to the southernmost island. And how they've even managed to shape the identity of this crazy country of 1.4 billion people.